Hi there, students. Rampart. A rampart. Very often the ramparts in plural. This is the wall round a castle, the protective wall. Yeah, and normally it's got a flat walkway along the top with crenellated bits so that you can hide behind something when the enemy are firing arrows at you. Okay, so the ramparts of a city, the stone wall that's built around it. It doesn't have to be stone though. The Roman legionaries made their ramparts out of a mound of earth, and then maybe with a wooden rampart in the top of that. So it's a defense wall, a parapet, a fortification. So there were always soldiers defending the ramparts of the castle, the ramparts of the town. You could actually even use this as a verb, to rampart, although it's not very common. The town was ramparted with mounds of rubble. Okay, it was protected. So a rampart, a parapet, an earthwork, an embankment, a defensive wall, a defensive barrier. But then you can also use this a little bit more metaphorically. For example, the high mountains acted as a rampart against invading tribes. Or maybe the coral reef on the east coast of Australia acts as a rampart to keep back the worst of the sea. Yeah, the worst effects of the sea. Okay, a rampart, something that keeps something out. It keeps something back. Let's see, in the 1950s, the US was very worried that communism was attacking the ramparts of its society. Okay, so a bulwark, a bulwark, a wall, a bailey, a defensive wall, a battlement, yeah, a fortification. Okay, so go for a nice walk along the ramparts of the old city. Lugo in northwestern Spain has fantastic ramparts that you can walk along. The ramparts of the city of York. The enemy were attacking the ramparts. Formality. I'm going to give it, I think, a 6 in formality, but use it anywhere. It sounds a little bit literary and formal, but I think you could use it anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Old French, Rampart, which talks about the rampart of a fort, which itself comes, I think, from Latin. Comes from Latin, ante, before, and parare, to prepare. So to be prepared before. Yeah, you're prepared for attack, and that's why you've got a rampart. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. The ramparts of the city.